Hey everyone, my name is Ugona Uzo. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, as you all can see by the title, I am reviewing a Unice wig that I have on my head here. First of all, thank you so much to Unice for sponsoring this video. This is very exciting. And yep, I'm gonna give my review and a little install on this hair. So this is the box that Unice sent me. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Is it Unice or Unice? I think it's Unice. But anyways, definitely thank you to them for sending me this. It had a lot of goodies in here. So if you do purchase this, you will receive, I have to try to open it, y'all. Okay, so yeah, it comes with like all these goodies. There's like clips in here, a goodie bag, lashes, you know, things for your hair, scarves, different wig caps. Even though I didn't use it for this, but even a nice headband, you know, it's cute. You could use it for something. Yeah, they gave me a lot of stuff, which I appreciate. They also gave me a comb, but I ended up using it, so it's not in the bag. But I'm gonna definitely get use out of this for like other wigs and stuff, so that was really nice. Thank you to them. I definitely love the packaging. It's very luxurious, and I think this box is like magnetic or something. Yeah, this box is definitely magnetic, so then it opens up. So yeah, I'll just get into the review of this hair. Personally, I've never worn a V-part, U-part wig, so this is my first time doing a U-part wig. So when you'll see in the review, or the install rather, when you see in the install, I'm like struggling trying to figure out what is gonna work to make this wig, you know, pop, because with frontals and closures, it's easier to make your hair look more polished, but when you're using your natural hair, that is like more, I have 4C hair, very kinky, coarse hair. You gotta put more, you know, emphasis on making it look like this, okay? So, but yeah, this is my first wig that I actually am wearing my natural hair. I haven't worn a sew-in since like 2014. Like I started wearing wigs like really early, like when I was like 15. I started like doing hair for just fun or whatever. Yeah, this is my first like attempt at a U-part wig. I think I did okay. I could have done better, but the curls on this wig, like, it's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. I love this. Like, I would purchase this regardless. Like, I would definitely purchase this just off the hair. It is so soft. I love the curl pattern on it. If y'all can like see, it's almost like this, it's kinky curly, I believe. They gave me the kinky curly wig. I'm definitely gonna put down all the details below. I believe this wig is 22 inches, but I will definitely put the link and these down below for the specs on this hair. But yeah, it is a kinky curly texture for sure. Although it's kinky curly, it didn't really match with my hair. I had to really manipulate my hair so it can match a bit better. I did an okay job. Once again, I'm not too crazy over it, but the hair still looks good for the most part. Like, it just looks really natural. Like, this wig is for girls, for the girls who like their wigs to look very natural. Definitely a U-part, V-part wig is for you for sure, only because you can style it different ways. I could do like a half up, half down if I really wanted. I may do that. You could do a side part, like you can do a lot just with the, you know, the U-part wig style. So I was nervous at first, like, I don't know, I'm not really into U-part wigs, but they were like, no, you need to give it a try. So I did, and I do like it. Like, I have a big forehead. I'm embracing my forehead right now, but it's really giving. Like, it really brought out my face the way I didn't expect it to, and I love it. So yeah, so I do love this hair. I would rate this hair a 10 out of 10, especially it being my first time. I did have a little bit of trouble, but it ended up looking really good. Definitely get you this hair for the spring season coming up. You know, summer's on the way. Get this hair for spring break. Like, cop this hair because it is so soft. I barely have to put any product. I just put a bit of water, and then of course I put like mousse at the top, but like the curls are beautiful, like very, very lovely. And I'm 5'6", and it goes down to kind of like to the top of my waist, which is cool. I do like longer hair. I love me, you know, some long bundles. So Unice, if you see this, like if you got a 30 inch wig you need to review, I'll do it, okay? But nah, for real, I do love this hair. Yeah, that's all the details I have on this hair. I can't wait to do different looks with this wig because it is very versatile. The hair itself is very good quality, and yeah, so far so good for my first try with a U-part wig. So now in the next part, you'll see me do a kind of like an install on the wig. It's really me doing trial and error. So definitely this is a beginner's video. If you never wore a U-part wig, watch my install. It was so quick. It took barely like 5 minutes for me to even install the hair. Of course my hair is like old from like, you know, old braids or whatever. So I just took them out. And I did like the wet method. So like wet and wavy or wet and curly method. So I use water, mousse, and a little bit of gel to like organize my curls to match it a bit better. However, if you do want to try the heat version, because I was trying to go heatless, you can get a very small curling iron or wand curler, like the really thin ones. I forget if they're like an inch or whatever, or 1/4, whatever. Get those, and you can once you like wash your hair and then straighten it out and take that part out of your natural hair so it can match the U-part wig, you can straighten it a little bit and then now curl it around your natural hair and the extensions. So that could be another way that it can blend in very easily, but I wanted to go the heatless route, so you'll see me, you know, doing that. Definitely if you have like a looser texture like 3C to 3A, you know, or even 4A, I feel like this hair will blend in more, but I have 4C hair, so I really had to finesse, and that's okay. Like it's okay. I'm glad that I tried it because I love it. So once again, thank you to Unice Hair. I'll now show you all the review, and yeah. So that concludes this video. I hope you all enjoyed my quick little install. You know, when you work with versatile wigs, you can do anything really. Like mine is beginner friendly, so I hope you all enjoyed my trial and error of a install. We're gonna get better in the future, it's okay. But yeah, thank you all for once again viewing my videos. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You're gonna get more videos from me. So once again, I just love you all for your support. Definitely my channel is growing, as you all can see. I'm really excited, and once again, shout out to Unice Hair for this sponsored video, but all of my opinions are my own, so let's get into it. But yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.